Okay, so it's going to be a quick unboxing of the new Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. Alright, so I gotta adjust the little Really? Well, this is a bit of a pain. Alright, finally got it. Let's see what's in here. Alright, we got the clock right here, instruction manual, and power cord. And that's it. Alright. Nice cloth material. Kind of reminds me of the actual Nest products. It's supposed to have a little ambient light right here around. It's got a power plug, the switch. So it's got the ambient light around here, the barrel plug for power, on and off switch for the mic, and a USB port for charging if you like. And let's take the plastic off here. Actually a nice size. Ooh. Got dual mics on the front over here. Power cord. Just a standard barrel plug. Let's see here. 12 volts, 1.5 amps. Quick little guide. Ready for information, legal notices. Started. Oh, here we go. Let's see here. Status indicator. Temperature display. I'm wondering if that's for outside or inside. Day of the week indicator. Time display, microphone. And down here is the legend for the weather itself, alarm, and mic status. On top, you're gonna have your we'll have your volume up, down, the number 4, which is play pause button, and the alarm button. Well, right now it's like $25 right now, so seems like it has pretty good features for the price. Alright, we're gonna plug it in and go from there. It's about a 5-foot long cord, so decent. I'm gonna power this on. So first thing I'm gonna try is the USB port in the back. See if it does allow for charging. So from here.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic is muted.
It's charging. The mic is muted, huh? So we're gonna set up a device for this home address. Alright, we're just gonna play quick music. And
one more time,
Gets really loud actually. Surprised. Well, that is exactly everything. Oh, one final thing should be a hold this down apparently, and the ambient light turns on. Nice. We're gonna try this out real quick. Turn the lights off. It's very nice. I know on the camera it will probably show it correctly, but it has a very nice ambient light. That should do it.